Oh yes, welcome back. Another one. As my good man would say, it is time for your favorite nightly expeditions. Let's be having it.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey everybody, Dutch is back! How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up?
Yo, I'm just gonna say this right now.
And Mrs. Adler,
Dutch,
it's gonna be okay.
he is a nasty, dirty daddy. And he's greedy as well, kids.
Animals.
Take note.
I need some rest.
Be a little less
Haven't
greedy.
slept in 3 days.
It's not okay.
You're over here.
Also,
Mr. Shea
adults,
will show you the way. Mr.
take a
Morgan,
note.
we put you in a room over here.
Maybe we should
Thank you,
chillax.
Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over
But
there.
we're playing Red Dead, so we gotta be greedy.
How come Arthur gets
In
a
the game.
room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of tarts?
Of course.
Get yourself to bed.
Whoa. That is a storm and a half. Ooh.
He ain't been seen in
Yeah.
days.
Look at how deep that is. Oh my
He's
goodness.
strong, and he's smart.
We haven't
Strong
seen a
and
storm like that
Hello,
since
Abigail.
1821.
How you doing?
Just fine, Abigail.
What does this girl want?
And you?
I need you to.
Yeah.
I'm
Come on.
sorry. I'm sorry
Come
to
on.
ask.
Let's
but
see. Come on.
Little John. He's got
It's
himself
Little John.
caught into a scrape
He
again.
ain't
Like-
been seen in
Like
two-
John Marston? Oh, no
days.
way. Let's
Your
go.
John
That's
will be
sick.
fine.
Come on.
I mean,
Come on.
be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted
Well,
iron, but that ain't
We know
changed
he lives,
because he got
so
caught in some
if you're late to
snowstorm.
that
Please go
party,
take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you
That's
ride
on
out
you.
with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're all... we're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed.
everybody's worried except
He looked for me.
for Arthur.
Thank
look at him.
you.
He's so reluctant. I mean, I would be too. There's like 50 feet of snow out there. Yo, that looked real for a second.
John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north
What?
and never looked back.
You
This is
wouldn't
worse than
leave. Not like that.
just the night before.
Wouldn't be the first
How are we
time.
going out in this? No way. Come on. There's no way. There's no way. Yeah, this is next level. Like, we thought the storm last night was bad. You can hardly even... You can look like you can barely see him. That's crazy. I mean, barely. I use that strongly there. But, yo, how is there water right there? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that right there? How is there... What is going on?
Let's hope it ain't more of
Is that
O'Driscoll's
possible?
boys.
Is that... Was that actually possible? That was a waterfall full
Somebody left.
on raging. We have a full on raging waterfall here. And there's a blizzard and a half
That way.
going on around it.
Sure, well, come on then.
That's crazy.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Okay, here we go. Enough. Who cares about the water? Oh, look, it's right there. The whole river's right there. So maybe it's just a normal thing.
Let's cross.
Maybe just...
See, they continue
Maybe it's
that
not
way.
freezing outside, I guess. Okay, so it's not as crazy as we originally thought. Let's back up.
Biggest John.
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier.
You know,
What really happened
it,
on that
We had the
what...
money. It seemed fine.
See, I don't even know what to look at right now because there's nothing to look at. You can barely see some rocks right there on the right,
It was
but there's just
crazy.
nothing.
Raining bullets.
There was nothing.
What Watch out for this
Whoa.
crevice.
Whoa, a crevasse, if you will. And I will every time, just to get that out there. Every time I will.
But it was a bad situation.
Whoa.
That ain't like him,
Okay,
though.
switching to a little first person. Okay, and now we're going the wrong way. But we're back on track. Oh, we are struggling to get through this 90-foot deep snowbank.
Go left, down here.
But we did it, no problem. Tennessee Walker isn't messing about.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all.
Oh my gosh.
By the
We're gonna
time
just
the boys
sprint
showed up
down
on the
this
other
right now?
side of town,
We're just gonna
we were
full-fledged...
just holding on.
Well, I guess we're not sprinting. It's more of a trot
Bad business, all
or a
right.
gallop. What do horses do?
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
How is the ground not covered right there? That's what I want to know. Not that that's a big deal, but like... I mean, it actually helps me see where I'm going, but... I don't know how snow works. So, like, I'm good. You know? I mean, okay, let me clear. I mean, I know how snow works. Just not video game snow. You know what I mean. You know how it goes. Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa, 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 dog. Seriously? You can't be doing that. What the heck?
Tracks, come on.
My horse just about kicked me off the mountaintop because it wanted a sweet screenshot.
Yeah. A lot of
I mean,
fresh
I'm
snow.
not mad.
I don't know about this, Javier.
Not mad at all,
Can't
actually.
follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Whoa. Right there. I'm almost falling to my death.
Almost there. Come on now.
Man, this is crazy looking though.
Hey, look. Over
This whole
there.
mountainous area. Very well done. Very well done. Like, look at the snow coming off the peaks up there. And we have a dead horse. So what else is new with you guys? Wow. Oh, look. You can see its guts. Oh, oh.
Come on. Up there. Adelante.
Man, that was gruesome, to say the least. Did not like seeing that horse. We won't let that happen to our Tennessee Walker, that's for sure. We're gonna ride Tennessee Walker. Oh, we're gonna get off Tennessee Walker. Okay, never mind. Goodbye, Tennessee Walker. I hope that doesn't end up like you.
Who knows what's up ahead?
Okay, we gotta grab our shotgun. So I've struggled with this a little bit before.
Grab your shotgun. Come on.
Okay, I'm trying to grab my shotgun. Okay. Nope. Can I just... No. Can I just get back in? Thank you. Allow me. Oh my goodness. Please. Yes, no. Yes, yes. Allow me. Please. Where's... There. Yes. Oh, baby. That is a shotgun. And I'm dragging it through the snow. Don't care. Couldn't care less. But look at that. Above the clouds. That is amazing. Seriously though, look at this. Whoa, we're gonna go down this? This is a slip and slide right here. Whoa, what? How was he doing that? Does he have like shoes that I'm gonna fall down this and I'm gonna hit him and we're gonna both flying off, calling out. What? How have we managed to traverse
Coming from this way.
such an obstacle?
Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
That's insanity. How did we just do that? I'm not understanding the physics. Is this physics? Is it chemistry? Is it biology? Whatever it is, I clearly am not understanding it. Here we go again. Surely that's impossible. Nope, just did it. No big deal. Do that all the time. Oh, that's a good shot right there, though.
Okay. Good now.
Man, we are so high up right now. Oh, it's real slippery now. But 15 seconds ago, when we were on a 90-degree slope, it was not slippery, and we managed.
Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on.
Yep. Little jump right there.
Coming,
Easy.
John.
And hit this. And hit that. There it is. There, hit it. Oh, we struggle. Okay. And we're going to hit this first time right here. Yep, just like that. Thanks for cooperating with me. But now he's got a bit of a lead on us, so we're going to have to walk him down. Okay, easy enough. He waited. He allowed us.
How you doing?
He allowed us.
Been a tough few days. I know.
Okay, so
Here.
we're going to take a
Take a
drink.
drink of
We're going
this.
to take a swig.
Thanks. I'm not designed for this snow.
Make sure our electrolytes are replenished.
Keep moving then.
Yeah, I think that was actually Gatorade. Yeah, let's check to make sure. Yep, it was Gatorade. We're gonna leave that there.
Stay with me, Arthur.
It was biodegradable, I believe, as well. So, check and check. All right, where's this guy at? To be honest, like, oh,
John! John!
speak
John, where are you? John, can you hear me?
of
Marston, you hear
the
me?
devil, and he shall appear. Except for that him over there. Like, where's he at? I mean, I'm guessing he's over there because that's where the squale is running, but I still have no visual confirmation. Okay, he's talking to him now, but I have no idea where he is. And I'm guessing he's right here. Oh, there he is. How did he see him?
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Yo, those are
Never
the
thought I'd say this,
scars.
but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
Those are the scars. That's crazy.
You don't look so good. I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
I wonder what happened.
Don't die just yet.
Any
cowboy.
bets?
Come on, compadre.
Dang, are we gonna have to carry him all the way down? That's crazy.
Well, can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Okay,
You a
we
sorry
gotta walk
sight. Can't
with him. This is a difficult angle, you know? Like, I don't really... Are we gonna walk off the edge right here? Like, surely they're not gonna allow us to walk off the edge.
sure you
I feel like we're pretty close, though. I feel like we're, like, dangerously close to the edge right there. But it doesn't matter.
Come on.
We're in the Wild Wild
Hopefully
West,
this will lead us
as
out.
Will Smith would say. Oh,
Look up there.
oh, we got some niños who want to play ball. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so we weren't too confident with ourselves the first time, so I'm going to try it out by myself, and then hopefully that thing doesn't come back like it did the first time. Oh, shoot. Okay, not off to a good start. Oh, gosh. Okay, we're going to run away. We're going to run away. We're going to draw him up here. Yes, and bow. Okay, didn't die. All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Why isn't it killing me? Why isn't it killing me? We're going to run. We're going to run. Come on, come on, come on. You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Bow. Okay, missed. Fair enough. Didn't miss there. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want some of this? Okay, overshot big time. And right in the schnuz. Right in the schnuz. How was that one still right there? What? I thought I killed... Alright, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, we're getting better. We're getting better. We're not gonna have to summon... You know, we don't need to talk about it. Which is good. Because Tennessee Walker needs to be taken care of by me. So let's get it poppin'.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
New fella.
Okay. Well, at least John Marston still has his sense of humor. So
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
okay, here we go. Come on. We just... Like, are we even on the same path? I mean, I guess as long as I have to follow, it'll be okay. Oh, gosh, here we go. Come on. We taught him how to do it the first time. Come on, walk right into it. Missed. Easy. Okay, that's cool. No big deal. We can do it. Here, yes. Perfect. Oh, now we need to reload, but we've done that now. Watch out for the trees. Okay. So we're having a... Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. No, 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 please, 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 please. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yes.
Look, we can talk about this. We can talk...
Look, if you just would have let me do this the first time, then we wouldn't be here right now, okay?
Oh, gosh. Fine, okay. Just make it quick.
Yes.
No.
It is I.
Not the screen.
I have come to save the day
Oh, where did you
by
get the
doing
music
destruction.
from? What?
And these wolves
Oh my
will
goodness.
not hurt my boy, John. That's right.
Do you really have to be this obnoxious, dude? Like,
It's time for them to go to doggy heaven. Look, I'm sorry that I'm having to take this over right now, but you're just not good enough. You're just not good enough. These wolves have no idea what they're walking into right now. And they're about to get blasted in the skull. First time, watch this. Easy. You
seriously,
see how it's done?
that sound doesn't even make sense.
You see how it's done? It's game over. It's game over. Here we go. Let's run this one over. Let's run this one over. We missed there, but we're gonna run him over. Yes. Yes. And we're going to do the same to this one as well. Because, yes.
Please,
I don't
please
actually
just
know
go
if I
away now.
shot that one or if I ran it over. But they're dead. Yes. I'll be back.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
You should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know,
Whoa, whoa,
we're
whoa,
gonna need to
whoa,
come
whoa.
up with a better story for
I
that
think
scar.
that...
So,
Yeah, I think... Yeah.
eating, starving,
Mr. Escuela Javier?
to death ain't good
My good
enough.
sir, you have just earned yourself...
A scholarship.
And not just for that move, but for remembering to bring some Gatorade along in the video. So congratulations, you remembered to replenish the electrolytes, because I wasn't thinking. And good thing you were here to earn those scholarships. Congratulations, you got yas.
Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Yes, he's alive. We got him. And he's got his scars. So, yo, idiotas,
Get you warm.
cuidate.
Thank you both.
Gosh, man, like seriously, is that their first time ever touching a guy with a broken leg? Because it certainly looked like it.
Thank you.
Got any other lost maidens
Like-
need saving?
Not today.
Come on.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East into all that civilization.
I know.
Well, guys, if you are enjoying this right now,
Let's get warm.
subscribense and like the video. We'll be looking to give out some more scholarships, because as a coach, I'm going to need some players to step up. You know how it goes. See you next time.